Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science in Class 12 HSC. First, focus on building a strong foundation in fundamental concepts like data structures and algorithms. Consistent practice is key. Try to solve 2 to 3 programming problems every day. Also, analyzing past exam papers will help you understand the question patterns and prioritize your study areas effectively. This approach ensures you cover essential topics thoroughly. Next, let's talk about smart study strategies. Develop a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 2 hours each day specifically to computer science. Don't hesitate to use online platforms and video tutorials to clarify challenging concepts. Collaborating with peers in a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, as discussing problems and teaching each other reinforces your understanding and helps identify any gaps in knowledge. Moving on to practical application, it's crucial to get hands-on. Start by implementing small programming projects. This helps solidify your theoretical understanding. When you encounter errors, practice systematic debugging to pinpoint and resolve issues, which significantly boosts your problem-solving skills. Additionally, engaging in coding challenges can be a great way to test your knowledge and improve your efficiency under timed conditions. Finally, for exam readiness, comprehensive revision is essential. Aim to review all your computer science topics at least 2 times before the actual exams. Taking full-length mock tests will help you manage your time effectively and get comfortable with the exam format. Remember, the goal is to understand the underlying logic and principles, not just to memorize facts, ensuring you can tackle any question confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.